Introduction. The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle is a spiritual guidebook that teaches readers how to live in the present moment and achieve inner peace. Tolle argues that the mind is constantly stuck in the past or projecting into the future, which creates suffering and anxiety. By cultivating awareness of the present moment, readers can overcome their ego-based thoughts and connect with their true selves. Tolle offers practical advice and exercises to help readers achieve this state of presence and live a more fulfilling life. The book explores the nature of consciousness, the illusion of time, and the nature of suffering. It also teaches readers how to find their true selves and unlock higher states of consciousness. The teachings in the book are based on the simple truth of the present moment, and the power of now is available to all, regardless of religion or philosophy. The book is a transformative guide for those seeking inner peace and practical tools for improving their lives. The mind. The human mind is a complex and powerful tool that governs our thoughts, emotions, and behavior. It is responsible for our perception of reality and plays a significant role in shaping our experiences. However, the mind is not always our ally. It can often be our greatest obstacle. The mind can become trapped in patterns of thought that lead to suffering, anxiety, and depression. One of the most significant challenges of the mind is the ego, which is an illusory sense of self that we develop through our experiences and perceptions. The ego is based on past experiences, and it often causes us to judge ourselves and others, leading to a feeling of separation and isolation. The mind also has a tendency to dwell on the past and worry about the future, which creates a sense of unease and anxiety. This preoccupation with past and future events can cause us to miss out on the present moment, which is the only place where true happiness and fulfillment can be found. Another challenge of the mind is the incessant chatter of thoughts that can dominate our consciousness. This constant stream of thoughts can be overwhelming and distracting, preventing us from experiencing the beauty and simplicity of the present moment. However, the mind is also a source of great potential and can be trained to work in our favor. Through mindfulness practices, we can learn to observe our thoughts without judgment and cultivate a greater sense of awareness. By living in the present moment, we can free ourselves from the limitations of the ego and connect with our true selves. The present moment. The present moment is the only moment that truly exists. It is the moment that we are currently experiencing and is always happening right now. However, our minds often dwell in the past or the future, preventing us from fully experiencing the present moment. This preoccupation with past and future events can cause stress, anxiety, and depression, leading to a feeling of disconnection from the world around us. The present moment is a powerful tool for personal growth and self-awareness. It is the gateway to experiencing true happiness and fulfillment. By being present, we can cultivate a deeper connection with ourselves and others, and we can experience a greater sense of peace and contentment. In the present moment, we are free from the judgments of the past and the worries of the future. We can connect with our senses and fully experience the world around us. This heightened sense of awareness allows us to appreciate the beauty of life and find meaning in our experiences. The present moment is also a powerful tool for personal transformation. By focusing on the present moment, we can identify negative thought patterns and behaviors that are holding us back and replace them with positive ones. We can cultivate a greater sense of self-awareness and develop a deeper connection with our true selves. Consciousness. Consciousness is the state of being aware of our surroundings, thoughts, and emotions. It is the fundamental essence of our being and the foundation of our experiences. Consciousness is what makes us human, and it is the driving force behind all of our thoughts, emotions, and actions. Consciousness is a complex and multifaceted phenomenon that has puzzled scientists, philosophers, and spiritual leaders for centuries. There is still much we do not understand about consciousness, including how it is generated and how it relates to the physical brain. Despite its complexity, consciousness is a powerful tool for personal growth and self-awareness. By cultivating a greater sense of awareness, we can identify negative thought patterns and behaviors that are holding us back and replace them with positive ones. We can develop a deeper connection with our true selves and experience a greater sense of inner peace and fulfillment. Consciousness is also the key to unlocking higher states of awareness and spiritual enlightenment. Through practices such as meditation and mindfulness, we can connect with a deeper level of consciousness and experience a greater sense of oneness with the universe. The illusion of time. Time is a fundamental concept that governs our daily lives. We are constantly aware of time passing, and we use it as a measure to organize our activities and experiences. However, time is not an objective reality, it is an illusion created by the human mind. The illusion of time arises from our perception of events occurring in a sequence of past, present, and future. We experience the past as a memory and the future as an anticipation, but in reality, there is only the present moment. The past and future are mental constructs that exist only in our minds. The illusion of time creates the sense of continuity in our lives. We perceive ourselves as a continuous entity moving through time, but in reality, we are constantly changing. Every moment, we are a new person with new thoughts, emotions, and experiences. The illusion of time can also lead to stress and anxiety. We often worry about the future and regret the past, but these mental constructs do not exist in reality. By focusing on the present moment, we can overcome these negative emotions and experience a greater sense of peace and fulfillment. Finally, the illusion of time can be transcended through spiritual practices such as meditation and mindfulness. By connecting with the present moment and cultivating a greater sense of awareness, we can experience a timeless state of being that transcends the limitations of the physical world. The nature of suffering. Suffering is an inherent aspect of the human experience. We all experience physical pain, emotional distress, and existential angst at some point in our lives. Suffering can be caused by a range of factors, including illness, loss, trauma, and existential crisis. The nature of suffering is complex and multifaceted. It is not only a physical or emotional experience but also a spiritual one. Suffering can challenge our beliefs and values, and it can force us to confront the fundamental questions of existence. Suffering is also an opportunity for personal growth and transformation. Through suffering, we can develop greater empathy and compassion for others, and we can cultivate a deeper sense of self-awareness and inner strength. However, suffering can also lead to negative outcomes such as depression, anxiety, and addiction. It can be difficult to navigate the challenges of suffering, and many people turn to unhealthy coping mechanisms to cope. Finding your true self. Finding your true self is a journey of self-discovery and self-awareness. It is a process of uncovering your deepest values, beliefs, and desires and living in alignment with them. Finding your true self is essential for personal growth, happiness, and fulfillment. To find your true self, it is important to cultivate self-awareness. This involves becoming more mindful of your thoughts, emotions, and behaviors and developing a deeper understanding of yourself. By cultivating self-awareness, you can identify the beliefs and values that are most important to you and live in alignment with them. Finding your true self also involves confronting the fears and insecurities that hold you back. It requires facing your vulnerabilities and acknowledging your limitations. By confronting these challenges head-on, you can develop greater resilience and inner strength. Another important aspect of finding your true self is connecting with a higher power. This can take many forms, including meditation, prayer, or spending time in nature. By connecting with a higher power, you can tap into a deeper level of consciousness and gain insights into your true self. Some takeaways for the listeners are here. First one is the power of the present moment. The present moment is the only reality that truly exists. By cultivating mindfulness and living in the present moment, we can free ourselves from the burden of the past and the worries of the future. Next is the nature of the ego. The ego is a mental construct that creates a sense of separation between ourselves and the world around us. By recognizing the ego for what it is, we can transcend its limitations and experience a greater sense of connection and unity. Next is the illusion of time. Time is an illusion created by the human mind. By transcending the illusion of time and connecting with the timeless present moment, we can experience a greater sense of peace and fulfillment. Next is the nature of suffering. Suffering is an inevitable aspect of the human experience, but it can also be an opportunity for personal growth and transformation. By cultivating self-awareness and connecting with a higher power, we can find meaning and purpose in our suffering. Next is the finding your true self. Finding your true self is a journey of self-discovery and self-awareness. It involves cultivating self-awareness, confronting your fears and insecurities, and connecting with a higher power. By living in alignment with your deepest values and beliefs, you can experience a greater sense of inner peace, happiness, and fulfillment. Next is the power of acceptance. Acceptance is key to transcending suffering and finding inner peace. By accepting the present moment for what it is and letting go of resistance and attachment, we can free ourselves from suffering and experience a greater sense of inner peace. Next is the importance of mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of being fully present and aware in the moment. By cultivating mindfulness, we can connect with our true selves and experience a greater sense of inner peace and fulfillment. Next is the power of silence. Silence is a powerful tool for cultivating inner peace and self-awareness. By cultivating moments of silence in our daily lives, we can quiet the mind and connect with our true selves. Next is the importance of gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful tool for cultivating happiness and inner peace. By focusing on the things we are grateful for, we can shift our perspective and experience a greater sense of joy and fulfillment. Next is the power of forgiveness. Forgiveness is key to transcending the past and finding inner peace. By letting go of resentments and forgiving ourselves and others, we can free ourselves from the burden of the past and experience a greater sense of inner peace. Next is the importance of non-judgment. Non-judgment is key to cultivating mindfulness and inner peace. By letting go of judgment and accepting things as they are, we can free ourselves from the suffering caused by our own perceptions and judgments. Next is the importance of self-love. Self-love is essential for personal growth and fulfillment. By loving and accepting ourselves as we are, we can cultivate a greater sense of self-worth and inner peace. Next point is the nature of consciousness. Consciousness is the foundation of all reality. By connecting with the deeper levels of consciousness within ourselves, we can transcend the limitations of the ego and experience a greater sense of connection and unity with the world around us. Next is the importance of letting go. Letting go is essential for personal growth and transformation. By letting go of attachment to outcomes and embracing the present moment for what it is, we can free ourselves from suffering and experience a greater sense of inner peace and fulfillment. Next is the power of intention. Intention is key to manifesting our desires and living in alignment with our true selves. By setting clear intentions and taking action towards our goals, we can create the life we truly desire. Next is the importance of surrender. Surrender is essential for transcending the ego and connecting with a higher power. By surrendering to the present moment and letting go of the need for control, we can experience a greater sense of inner peace and fulfillment. Next is the nature of duality. Duality is an inherent aspect of the human experience. By embracing the paradoxical nature of reality and recognizing the unity within diversity, we can transcend the limitations of the ego and experience a greater sense of connection and unity. Next is the power of presence. Presence is the key to transcending the ego and connecting with our true selves. By cultivating presence in our daily lives, we can experience a greater sense of inner peace and fulfillment. Next is the path to enlightenment. Enlightenment is the ultimate goal of spiritual growth and personal transformation. By following the path of self-discovery, cultivating inner peace, and connecting with a higher power, we can transcend the limitations of the ego and experience a state of oneness with all that is. Final notes. As Oprah Winfrey would say, to be present means to be able to feel and fully experience what is happening in the present moment. It means letting go of the past and the future and focusing solely on the now. When we are present, we are fully engaged with our surroundings and the people around us. We are not distracted by our thoughts, worries, or anxieties. We are able to see the beauty in the moment and appreciate it for what it is. Being present is a state of mind that requires practice and intention, but the rewards are immense. And Arianna Huffington adds that presence is about being fully aware of your surroundings and the people around you, and being able to respond to them in an authentic and meaningful way.